Cheers.
The gym class.
Gym class?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you had a gym class. He ran and hid in my bedroom.
I literally saw him.
Day, I love you.
No, Mom.
Good morning. Welcome to A Day in the Life. My name is Jess. I have 4 kiddos, 8, 6, 3, and 1. They're actually up to, it's like 7:10 on a Saturday. We're actually in a storm right now. It's getting crazy out there. You can feel the wind come in. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoy seeing a day in our life today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get this day started. First, dishes. That's the first thing you say to me when you wake up, huh? Yeah, let's get you some breakfast, okay? I'm gonna start our day out with a smoothie. This is my secret ingredient. Gives my kids lots of extra vitamins and nutrients and greens, and they have no idea it's even in here. I have a coupon code linked below for you guys.
Mommy.
Yum, looks so good. Is your smoothie good? Cheers. Not healthy at all, but I've had these in my freezer for a while from a fundraiser, and I think I'm gonna make them for the kids this morning. Dishes are done. Going in the oven. All right, I decided to hop in the shower quick. Theron woke up, and Theron and Kova came and greeted me in the shower, huh? And what did you tell me in the shower, Kova?
Boobs.
She told me I had big boobs. Silly. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here, do my makeup. The kids are coloring.
I'm not.
You were. Here's a small hack for Theron. He just pulls a straw out of a cup and makes a big mess. So Rick actually took one of these take and toss cups years ago for I think probably Kova, and he just like cut the top off and he can drink it out of there just fine. You take a drink? Is it nummy? Oh my gosh, these look so good. I might have to have one. Yep, these are really good.
It's a lot.
Look, it's like taller than you, Kova.
Yeah.
Kova's my stylish kid, aren't ya?
Yeah.
Dressed yourself this morning. Don't even have to ask her. Guys, I do not have a full length mirror in this house. Like, am I even human? But my outfit today is from Fabletics. And I'm telling you, their clothes are really as comfy as they're like made out to be.
Man.
I'm just curled up on the couch. I think I might just grab a book and read a while the kids are playing. Where'd he get the lotion? Oh, lovely. Wow, you guys. Wow. This is one of my favorite breakfasts and snacks. It's just a rice cake with peanut butter and everything bagel seasoning. You got 2 cars? Should we get you dressed? Yesterday he insisted on wearing his swim shirt to bed. Look how tall this snowbank is. It's just blowing like crazy out there. I always say that if it's gonna be cold, you might as well have snow, and we definitely got it this year. Hop, 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 a baby bunny hops by. Say, I'm one. Get that out of your mouth. Oh, say, can you say, I'm one?
I'm the shirt.
Say, I'm one.
I'm one. See, oh man.
Say, not me.
Me.
He will literally say anything you tell him to. Can you say, I love you?
No, Mom. Sorry.
Kova, how old are you?
3.
Yeah, what is your favorite color?
Purple.
What is your favorite animal?
Piggy.
A piggy. I didn't expect you to say that. What?
Horsey.
A horsey? That's another good one.
Horsey.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Got my gym class.
Go to your dad's class?
The gym class.
Gym class?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you had a gym class. Can you show me your favorite dance move? Oh, a spin. Show me a cute pose. Farron, what are you wearing? Who dressed you?
Yeah.
Saturday mornings are in the winter are for being lazy in this house, but I think I've been lazy enough. I think I'm gonna go fold about 5 loads of laundry that I washed yesterday and didn't fold yet. There it is. Believe it or not, I did about 10 loads before this. So a friend of mine just asked if we wanted to go to the library, and this blizzard has really calmed down, so I think that we're gonna go to the library, but I need to give my kids a little bite to eat first, so super healthy kind of lunch before we go. And I'm gonna try and get my laundry put away before we go too. We'll see if it happens. Pizza. And off for a minute, I'm gonna run outside and brush off the truck. Yeah, burr, I'm not excited to go out. You can barely see our front door. It's just crazy. It's so snowy. Let me know in the comments below right now what state you live in or what country you live in. I'm curious to know. Well, we're on our way to the library. Finally, it's almost noon.
Baby, you're hiding from her.
Wow.
This one's easy. Watch. Mommy, watch. Oh, God. Here's a little baby bed. See the baby? No.
Are you gaming?
Mommy, can I play a game?
We are back from the library. Alice will grab my hubby some Taco Johns. And oh my gosh, look at all the snow. Like you can't even see our front door.
All right.
Cereal. Even for daycare.
We just officially had to assign seats to our kids for meals. Farron, where are you? Come here. Oh, he's throwing my stuff away. We just played a little Monopoly deal as a family. This was actually the game that Rick and I would play every time we sat down for lunch or dinner for like the 3 first years we were dating. So kind of fun. We still play it to this day. All right, here's your Bubba. Go sleepy nice, okay? After I got Farron laid down for a nap and kind of fell into the Instagram hole. My house is a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna kind of straighten up for a little bit before I have to wake Farron up. Yeah, we'll see where our day goes from here. Are you good now? Everybody in our house is going stir crazy.
Yeah, Dad's truck.
Yep, Daddy went to the liquor store. Like, we just don't know what to do. We don't know what to do. Hide and seek?
Yeah. Hide and seek. Yeah.
All right. I will count.
Yeah.
You guys go hide, okay?
Okay.
I found Kova and Brielle, and we just can't seem to find Zane. Where could he be? He ran and hid in my bedroom.
I literally saw him. He's pushing it.
Then after I get done counting, you ran and hid in my bedroom? You're sneaky.
I checked ya. Nummy ice cream.
Nummy ice cream is right.
Nummy ice cream.
Oh, there's that little bit of freaking mint.
He doesn't like mint. All right, let me get you up because I forgot to bring my camera with. We went to BK Play Place because we really needed to get out of the house, or I needed to get out of the house. And then we went to, where do we go next? Oh, Walmart, because Brielle needed a birthday present. And then we went to play at your cousin's house for a bit, huh?
Yeah.
And now we're home for ice cream in bed. Some pre-bedtime video games. Alright, that is it for my day in the life. We're gonna go snuggle up on the couch and watch Stink. It's a documentary on Netflix. We already started watching part of it and I highly recommend it. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it. And thank you for being a part of my day. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.